Hello everyone. Today again I am here to meet you with new video and new topic. As you know, we have started the second chapter, that is environmental pollution. Under that chapter, we had completed the two topics. First one is the environmental pollution, introduction of environmental pollution. After that, the air pollution and climate change. Now in this video, we are discussing the soil pollution. Soil is very important factor with water and soil. As we know, water and soil are essential for the survival of human being. With water and soil, with water and air, soil is also a very important factor, because the food we are eating or food we are intaking the food, those food are 90% of that food is came from the soil source. ठीक है, herbivores होता है या plant source होता है, and plants are germinated into the soil, and that's why soil is very essential factor, and that's why soil pollution is introduced in your syllabus. सॉइल पोल्यूशन में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर क्या है कि वाई सॉइल इज इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज इफ वी कंसिडर द 1 centimeter लेयर ऑफ सॉइल, to form the 1 centimeter layer of soil, it requires 1000 of year, because it is very slow process. Rock is converted into gravel, small rock, then gravel, then sand, and then soil. एक लंबा सा प्रोसीजर होता है सॉइल फॉर्मेशन का, एंड दैट्स वाई सॉइल इज टर्म एज ए नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज. नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज में कंसिडर करते हैं उसको बिकॉज ऑफ द वेरी टीडियस एंड स्लो प्रोसेस ऑफ सॉइल फॉर्मेशन, एंड दैट्स वाई इट इज एसेंशियल टू कंजर्व द सॉइल लेयर. ठीक है, सो दोज आर द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सॉइल, and that's why we are discussing the soil pollution. Next, what are the sources of soil pollution? There are 3 basic sources of soil pollution. First one is the chemicals that are used in the agricultural field, जिसको हम agrochemicals भी बोलते हैं. Chemicals such as pesticides, herbicides. Those chemicals are used in very high manner, so it leads to the soil pollution. ठीक है, and then second source is the fertilizers used in soil. दोनों चीजें connected है, chemicals and fertilizer. Here also chemicals used. Fertilizer मतलब they are not using the biofertilizer. Most of the farmers are using the chemical fertilizer, chemicals to enhance the quality of soil, to enhance the crop yield, to enhance the quality of food. Just for example, some farmers are growing the vegetables, तो look wise बहुत beautiful दिखनी चाहिए, बहुत pure दिखनी चाहिए, बड़ी दिखनी चाहिए, and for those purpose they are adding the lots of amounts of fertilizer, and it leads to the degradation of soil quality. Third and important one is the over irrigation. Over irrigation means continuously throughout the year they are irrigating the soil for the more yield of crop, for the फास्ट यील्ड ऑफ क्रॉप. तो जिनके पास पानी है या जिनके फील्ड में पानी है, वो बहुत ज्यादा वाटर यूज कर रहे हैं कि ज्यादा क्रॉप ग्रो हो जाए या ज्यादा जल्दी क्रॉप ग्रो हो जाए. सो कंटिन्यूअस इरिगेशन लीड्स टू द सॉइल पोल्यूशन. हम देखेंगे कैसे. तो कंटिन्यूअस इरिगेशन लीड्स टू द सॉइल पोल्यूशन. दोज 3 आर द बेसिक सोर्सेस ऑफ सॉइल पोल्यूशन, हम उसको बोलते हैं. देन आफ्टर दैट द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ सॉइल पोल्यूशन. So effects में so many effects we are observed by the naked eyes, but basic effects we are discussing in our chapter. First effect is the because of addition of lots of chemicals in soil, basically the pesticides, herbicides added into the soil, and day by day it decreases the fertility of soil. जितना ज्यादा उसका यूज होगा केमिकल्स का, उतनी उसकी फर्टिलिटी जो है वो रिड्यूस होते जाएगी. सो फार्मर्स आर यूजिंग मोर एंड मोर फर्टिलाइजर्स, मोर एंड मोर पेस्टिसाइड्स in the form of chemicals. So it leads to the further lack of fertility in the soil. Second one is the there are natural microbial flora of a soil. हर जगह पे होता है. Microbial flora of air, microbial flora of water. Microbial flora का मतलब क्या होता है? Variety of microorganisms present in that particular area. Say for example when we talk about air, water, soil, तो उसके साथ में related some microbial flora, specific microbial flora is, and it is very helpful for the human development. हमारे body में भी आपको पता है हमारे body में भी useful microorganisms होते हैं. वो अगर उनकी डेथ हो जाए तो इम्यूनिटी कम होते, सेम थिंग हैपन विद द सॉइल. सो microbial flora, natural microbial flora present in the soil decreases, or it leads to the depletion of microbial flora because of lots of chemicals. उतने chemical concentration में they are not able to survive. So it leads to the reduction of microbial flora day by day. एक दिन में हो रहा है क्या? नहीं. It is a continuous and slow process. Day by day microbial flora decreases, and again it leads to the fertility reduction in the soil. Then the third one is the because of human misbehavior, means dumping of garbage or other unhygienic drainage practices, it leads to the soil pollution. Then next one is the sorry. Next one is because of the domestic waste or because of the human excreta, it enters to the soil, it leads to the soil. हमको पता है उसमें क्या होता है, the organic matter, organic content ultimately nothing but the pathogens are also present there, disease causing organisms are there, and those organisms or those content are entered to the soil, means it is contaminated to the whole food chain. It enters to the soil. When some vegetables are grown on that soil, it enters to those vegetables. Then those vegetables are consumed by the herbivores or animal or human being, and again it leads to it enters into the human being. So this enters to the food chain, means complete food chain जो है वो contaminated हो रहा है because of the unhygienic practices, because of the dumping of garbage. And the next one is impact on soil is over irrigation. Over irrigation, as I said earlier, over irrigation is a very big problem because of the continuous flow of water on the surface of soil. Salts from that water saturate over the surface of soil. So those salt leads to the salination of soil. आपने ये सुना होगा, salination of soil is another topic of concern. Salination का मतलब increase in salts. ठीक है, salts of soil. So it leads to the salination of soil, and saline soil is infertile type of soil. So it is also a very slow process. Within a month or within a year it can't happen. It requires long duration of time. So many examples are there. Those soil are leads to the infertile soil because of the over irrigation. So here we have to use some advanced machinery, some advanced mechanism to avoid the over irrigation. For example, we can use the drip irrigation, sprinklers. So this irrigation method can be changed. All those are the effects of soil pollution. After that, soil quality ratings are given. Soil quality rating का मतलब क्या है? If that soil is very fertile, medium type of fertile or low fertile, those contents are based on the available nutrient in that soil. जितने ज़्यादा nutrients होंगे उतनी वो soil quality improve होंगी या soil quality अच्छी होगी. So it is based on the available nutrients in that soil. So basic nutrient required for the soil or basic nutrient required for the fertility of soil, that is the, here I have one chart, it is given in our textbook, that is the available nitrogen in percentage. Organic content available nitrogen is there. Organic content means organic matter कितना है soil में in the form of nitrogen, in the form of percentage. So if the percentage available nitrogen is less than 0.5, that means that soil is low fertile soil. If it is between the range of 0.5 to 0.75, it means it is a medium type of soil. Then if that content increase to 0.75 or greater than 0.75, that means the high quality of soil. Then next one is the available nitrogen in the form of किलोग्राम पर हेक्टर, मतलब एक हेक्टर में कितना वहां पे एक पर केजी सॉइल में कितना होना चाहिए वो दिया हुआ है नाइट्रोजन, अवेलेबल नाइट्रोजन. सो इफ दैट इज less than 280 means soil is very low fertile. Then if it is between 280 to 560, it means it is a medium type of soil. If it is high, then 560 means high quality soil. Same thing relate with the phosphorus and potassium. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium, NPK जो हम बोलते हैं, those are the very important factor for the soil growth or soil development or fertility of soil. So potassium and sodium का भी यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है percentage, less than 20 is low. 10 to 24.6 is medium, greater than 24.6 potassium is high quality soil. Same with the sodium. Less than 108 is low, then medium 108 to 2080, then 280 high is very high quality of soil. ठीक है. सो हम यहाँ पे कौन से कंटेंट अवेलेबल है? नाइट्रोजन इन ऑर्गेनिक मैटर फॉर्म, देन नाइट्रोजन, अवेलेबल नाइट्रोजन, देन अवेलेबल फॉस्फोरस एंड अवेलेबल पोटेशियम. ओके, फॉस्फोरस एंड पोटेशियम, ये दोनों चीजें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है सॉइल फर्टिलिटी के लिए. सो दिस इज अ चार्ट provided to in our textbook, and it is very important because it shows the, in simple form it shows the soil fertility rating. Okay. Now the last topic of our discussion is control measures of soil pollution. Always I am with the favor of those control measures of, I am not interested to discuss the problem. The basic thing we should discuss, that is the solution of any problem. So here we have the several solutions on this problem of problem of soil pollution. So first thing is we can replace we can replace the chemical pest control or pesticide, herbicides by the natural things. For example, we are using several chemicals in the form of pesticides or herbicides or insecticide. Instead of that, we can use the juice of some plants leaves or juice of some vegetable leaves. Those can be helpful for the growth of plant. For example, neem leaves or extract from the neem leaves can be used as an pesticide. कुछ और भी हो सकते हैं, अगर हम उसके ऊपर अच्छे से स्टडी करें तो हमको बहुत सारी चीजें जो है वो मिल जाएगी. सेकेंड थिंग इज यूज नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर इंस्टेड ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर. ये तो बहुत सिंपल है. नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर कैन बी रिप्लेस बाय द chemical fertilizer can be replaced by the natural fertilizer. Natural fertilizer में आपके कौन कौन से fertilizer आ रहे हैं? Compost you can use, then the vermi compost can be used, then the cow dung or organic matter can be used as a fertilizer. इसके बाद में एक वीडियो मेरा आने वाला है, that is based on the composting, how compost can form in a domestic waste from the domestic waste, और साथ ही में कमर्शियल लेवल पे या एग्रीकल्चर लेवल पे हाउ वी कैन यूज दैट कंपोस्ट एंड हाउ वी कैन प्रोड्यूस दैट कंपोस्ट इन आवर हाउस ऑन स्मॉल स्केल एज वेल एज ऑन द लार्ज स्केल. तो वो वीडियो देख के आपके कंसेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएंगे, हाउ कंपोस्ट कैन बी फॉर्म एंड हाउ इट कैन बी यूज फॉर द एग्रीकल्चर पर्पजेस और अदर पर्पजेस. ठीक है. सो कंपोस्ट जो है दैट कैन बी यूज इंस्टेड ऑफ केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर. आफ्टर दैट इरिगेशन मेथड, मैंने इसके प्रीवियस भी आपको बताया कि इरिगेशन मेथड कैन बी चेंज. ड्रिप इरिगेशन वी कैन यूज, द स्प्रिंकलर टाइप ऑफ इरिगेशन वी कैन यूज, सो द कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑफ सॉल्ट ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ सॉइल विल बी रिड्यूस. वो थोड़ा हेल्प होगा. साइड बाय साइड इट विल बी यूजफुल फॉर द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ वाटर. ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल हम उससे प्रोटेक्ट कर पाएंगे या प्रिजर्व कर पाएंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी, दैट इज द ट्री प्लांटेशन. बड़े ट्री लगाइए. बेसिकली द इंडियन ट्रीज हम उसको बोलते हैं, जो डोमेस्टिक ट्री है हमारे जो परंपरागत चलते आए हुए हैं, वो ट्रीज लगाइए. तो दोज ट्रीज हैव कैपेसिटी टू होल्ड द एयर. सो हमारा जो सॉइल इरोजन हो रहा है दैट कैन बी स्टॉप विद द हेल्प ऑफ ट्री प्लांटेशन. मोर एंड मोर ट्री कैन बी प्लांटेड टू अवॉइड द सॉइल इरोजन. सॉइल इरोजन मीन्स वेस्टेज ऑफ सॉइल with run of water, wastage of soil with the wind. So avoid the wastage of soil. To avoid wastage of soil, we have to plant more and more tree. और कुछ छोटी छोटी चीजें की जा सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सम डोमेस्टिक ट्रीज और सम बेसिक, हम उसको बोलते हैं कि जो हमारे कम्युनिटी के साथ इंडिजिनियस नॉलेज हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में पढ़ा है, तो उन लोगों को ये पता होता है. सो वी कैन ग्रो सम ट्रीज, बबूल ट्री या अदर टाइप ऑफ ट्रीज अराउंड द फेंसिंग ऑफ फार्म. कोई एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड है उसके फेंसिंग में लगाइए. तो जो भी बर्ड्स वहां पे बैठेंगे, दोज बर्ड्स कैन पिक अप द insect from the crop. Or crop rotation can be done to control the pest control. If pulses are there, then it is pulses are replaced by one row of pulses, then second row of other plant. It will help. अगर rotation में करते हैं agricultural practice, so it will help to control the pest. So many things are there. छोटे छोटे चीजें किए जा सकते हैं to avoid the soil pollution. Okay, in this video we had completed near about 4 topics. First one is the soil pollution, introduction of why soil is important, then the sources of soil pollution, then the effects of soil pollution, then the soil fertility rating, after that control measures of soil pollution. So in this video I am completing this soil pollution. If you are not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like it and share it and comment in the comment box. So I definitely try to solve your problem, and subscribe the channel, and thank you for watching the video.